Hello again and welcome sa kusina ni Mrs. O. Of course, kasama natin ulit si Ate Lena. Makikita niyo siya mamaya-maya. Congratulate niyo siya sa kanyang bagong pilik mata. Hindi na ka lang. Anyway, today will be siguro a first of a few series na makikita nyo gagawin ko ulit. Kasi parang na-notice ka lang medyo uso yung chicken wings. So today, papakita ko lang how to make chicken wings with garlic parmesan cheese. Diba yun yung mga usang flavors. And then siguro, mga videos after this, you'll be seeing other variations. No? So it's pretty simple, very easy to follow. I'm not sure how people make it, but this is how we make it. Normally, nagluluto kami ng chicken wings. If, alam mo yun, yung gabi na ayaw mo masyadong magkanin or something, you just want to watch a movie, mag-Netflix ka lang buong gabi, kasi you eat chicken wings, tsaka puro appetizers. No? So, very simple. First, I use cornstarch to coat my chicken. You can use flour. Pwedeng harina gagamitin nyo kung gusto ninyo. But the only reason why I use cornstarch for two things. First is medyo mas madikit siya. Pangalawa is, kasi nga, nasa menopausal age, I think discussion ko to kanina sa mga kazumba ko. Pag medyo at a certain age, 50 and up, iiwasan natin medyo yung gluten. So cornstarch is okay. Flour kasi has a lot of it. So may isa kaming kazumba, masakit yung tuhod niya, inflamed. So it causes a little bit of inflammatory. So a little bit of health, no? And then Parmesan cheese, ito lang, simple, whatever's bottled. And the secret, ito talaga yung secret, no substitution for garlic Parmesan cheese. Ito, para pang patangkad, Star Margarine. I swear, because medyo maalat siya. Yung pagkaalat niya, it's perfect. So I discovered using Star Margarine, nakuha yung comes close to sa mga natitikman ninyong garlic Parmesan cheese. So, secret is the Star Margarine. And of course, salt and pepper. So, we'll start. Kanina, bumili ako sa market ng chicken. Normally, there's two parts. Basically, makikita nyo naman, I don't know kung nakaka-close up, dito yung joint niya. So, it's very easy. Yung medyo brutal way of doing it is ika-crack niya siya. Para palabasin yung joint, and then that's when you slice it. Basically, ganon. So, it's an easy way. So, clean, walang dugo. No? Kung medyo sanay ka na, you can just slice it straight. But, for those na first time gumawa, one way to do it is to cut it. Medyo brutal, medyo nanggigigil, crack it. Tapos lalabas yung buto, then that's when you, see, make the slice. Okay? So, I'll continue doing this. Then, I'll be seasoning it with salt and pepper later on. See? Na-expose na siya. Para mo lang siyang in-injure. So, basically, you end up with the drumlet. Drumlet, tama ba? Or drummet? Basta, little drumstick. Hindi ko alam yung drumlet ba tawag as this one, no? So, if you see the wing, para siyang paniki, di ba? Yung wing ng paniki. Diba? You see something see-through. You cut it all the way down. Once you make an incision, crack. See? Of course, I washed my hands before this. Hello. Diba? So, very easy, diba? But of course, if you want a healthier version or tinatamad kayo mag-munch-munch ng buto, you can use chicken thigh fillet para boneless. No? And then, do pretty much the same preparation as this, but boneless. Let me just wash my hands. Actually, sa mga nagtataka, bakit natin ito ginagawa? Kasi request din to. So, actually, most of itong mga susunod na ating gagawing recipes, probably the next 8 or the next 10, ito yung mga listahan ng mga nag-message, no? So, ang dami namin nakapila. So, may iba, simple desserts. Yung iba, more pasta dishes. I don't know if meron kayong request, please do send us a message, no? Yung iba, like for example, kung gagamitin nyo ito pang negosyo, just for those na nagne-negosyo ng food, I would suggest, i-breading nyo siya. Meaning, flour, eggs, breadcrumbs, kung gagawin nyo siyang negosyo. Kasi pinapalaki niya yung ano. Siyempre, mas gugusto nyo mangmukhang value for money. But this one kasi, it's for the house, no? So, I'm just coating it with cornstarch para lang mas madikit siya. No, mas madikit yung sauce. So, a little bit of salt. Again, let's control the salt a bit kasi nga, ang ating star margarine has high salt content. Ibabaliktad ko lang siya para lang both sides are coated. Tsaka sa mga nagme-message na kinopy nila yung recipe, thank you so much. I think naisip ko nga kaya ako ginaganahan kasi honestly, hindi talaga ako nagsusulat. I don't write my recipes. This is how I write it. Super, and then I give it to Lina. They prepare the ingredients. I come here, I cook. Do I file them? Definitely not. I don't. I just basically, that's what I do. So, sabi ko nga mabuti na nga binibideo ko. At least, nare-record ko, no, yung aking sariling recipes. Baka mamaya, ma-dementia ko pag hindi ko matandaan. So, mabuti na. Meron tayong reminder. I can look back when I grow old. May mga nagtatanong din kung may script ba to. Wala. Wala rin. As in, it's really just a casual, cooking session in Kusina ni Mrs. O. That's it, basically. No script, nothing. It's really started na kung anong meron excess sa refrigerator and freezer, yun ang linuto namin. Until ka-request. So, ito na tayo ngayon. So, here, I'm just basically coating it. I'm lightly coating it. Inuuna ko na muna the wing part. Simply because I'm going to fry the drumlet una. Simply because, as you can see, mas makapal siya. No? So, it takes a longer time to cook it. Right? Very, very easy. I'm not sure kasi kung nabe-venture out nyo yung cornstarch talaga pang coating, it becomes extra crispy actually. For some reason, it lasts mas matagal na crispy. Kahit room temp na. So, it's fairly easy actually. We're just gonna fry it. And then after you fry it, we'll be making the sauce. So, pretty much, sa mga succeeding recipes ng chicken wings na gagawin natin, like today, we're doing the garlic parmesan. Sa mga susunod, basically, it's very simple. We fry it, and then we make the sauce here. So, the sauce really makes all the difference. It's pretty much same procedure yung frying. Kaya if you notice, diba sa mga nagbebenta ng mga chicken wings na iba-iba yung flavors. No? So, daming mga flavors. So, pretty much, yun yung gagawin namin, yung popular flavors or yung favorite namin na flavors. Ayaw namin ng masyadong matamis. Okay, how do you test without burning? You can get a piece of... Kung di pa siya bumubula, then we wait for another minute. Okay? Uunahin ko muna i-fry yung chicken, and while the drumlets is cooking, that's the only time I'll be making the sauce. Which is very easy. Ito lang. Yan lang, yan lang. And then after, the procedure basically is we put it in a bowl, then that's when we coat the Parmesan cheese. So later, we're gonna be doing it here. It's okay for it to be oily. Remember the concept when we were cooking the pasta? And remember, the use of the Parmesan cheese is it absorbs the oil. Remember, if there's an excess of oil when you're cooking pasta, it's wise to put Parmesan cheese. Originally, that was what it's meant to be. No? So, it's pretty much the same concept. So, when we're frying it here, of course, it's going to have a little bit of oil. Then that's when we put the Parmesan cheese. So, basically, didikit siya kasi it absorbs oil. Gets? So, pretty much the same concept. So, there you go. So, inuuna ko muna lahat ng drumlets kasi mabilis ito. So, pretty much, probably about 8 minutes to make sure it's fully cooked. Actually, kanina nung nag-grocery ako, ang dami ko tuloy biglang naisip na magandang i-demo. So, anyway, later on, di na tayo matatapos today. Basically, I'll just wait for it. The minute I invert it, that's the time I'll start cooking. Kasi mabilis lang gawin yun. So, when you're frying, I know nakaka-tempt. Mag-ganun, di ba? If you disrupt it, baka mamaya mas matanggal pa lahat ng cornstarch. No? So right now, it's only been frying for a minute. So obviously, hindi pa talaga siya dumidikit on the protein. So you wait a little bit, huwag tayo maging impatient, di ba? Wait about 2 minutes or at least 3 minutes before you invert it. Same concept, remember, I think naturo ko yun sa fish, di ba? Sa salmon. Huwag tayo magmadaling i-flip siya over. Kasi minsan nakadikit pa yung skin on the pan. Then, sayang, nasisira yung look. It's pretty much the same. So, a little bit of patience. 8 minutes lang hintay natin sa buong buhay natin. Kakainin na natin itong garlic cream cheese. Kaya, chill lang tayo. Once alam niyo na gawin to, you can do it at home easily. Diba? Kasi, Ang chicken wings is easily available. Ito, hindi kailangan naka-refrigerator. Ito, hindi kailangan naka-refrigerator. Ang garlic, isang buwan, hindi matatanggal. So basically, it could be your emergency food. Diba? Biglang may bisitang darating or something, then it's something that you can easily prepare. So very simple lang siya. So hopefully, from this recipe, you can start experimenting your own, no? If you want to add cream to your Parmesan cheese or something. But ano lang, hindi ako nag-endorse, but better appreciation talaga. Kasi ano to gawa to sa Philippines, diba? So it's really nice. The flavor is really nice. I like the flavor it gives, no? So about a minute more, and then I'm gonna start flipping it, no? And then once we start flipping it, we'll start cooking the garlic Parmesan. There, see? Very firm, no? So we're gonna wait for another 8 minutes. Nice. The coating is very nice. Okay. I'm gonna lower the fire. Then I'm gonna start turning this on. So ito, I know, medyo marami. But kasi we're coating the chicken, right? So once it starts sizzling, I wanna lower the fire. About, I think it's about 2 tablespoons garlic powder. So I'm just gonna put, there you go. Pagpapalitan ko lang ha, para mas, yun. So 2 more minutes and that should be done. Total of 8 minutes. And then this one, wing part, the smaller part of the chicken wing, it's about 5 to 6 minutes, depending how high your heat is, no, for your fire. So here, see? Now na nagsisizzle na tong si Star Margarine, I lower the fire para hindi masunog yung garlic, no? We don't want it masunog, no? Tapos here, I put the stainless steel bowl here para it stays hot. Para mamaya, once we start coating it, mas madikit pa, no, yung ating sauce. Pagpapalitan ko ulit, sorry, I keep on mixing. Kasi ang liit ng, ng fire ko dyan Ito malaki. Hindi naman nagre-reklamo sa kusina, no? Pero, if you notice, iba-iba yung sizes ng fire. So, I try to play around with it. So, this will be about 5 minutes. Meaning, about 2 minutes or 2 minutes and a half on each side. And then, while this is hot, remember, it has a lot of oil, right? Kasi it's just fried. I'm gonna put on the Parmesan cheese. And then, later on, put the Star Margarine and garlic. So we'll just wait for this to cook. So I'm gonna turn off the Star Margarine, heat it on the last minute, cook this for about 5 minutes, and switch it over. And look at the garlic. It's not fully golden or brown. Like it's about to just turn golden and brown. So that's the level, or that's the kind of cooking level or doneness you want. So the margarine has a special smell. Time for me to flip this. Hold on. So about 3 minutes and we're done. Then I'm gonna top it again with Parmesan cheese and then just pour the Star Margarine all over. So 1 minute to go, kaya i-on ko na yung fire para make sure mainit ang Star Margarine with garlic. So for this one, we put Star Margarine, garlic, and garlic powder para mas potent. Unless makakuha kayo ng yung Tagalog na garlic, yung maliliit. Then that will be very, very potent and very strong ang kanyang flavor and taste. But since the garlic that we normally get are larger ones, so expect the flavor to be a bit milder. So just to enhance it a little bit more, kaya ako nag-add ng garlic powder. So para lang mas ma-enhance pa. I'm gonna put some Parmesan cheese. There. And then this is boiling. Pour it all. Oh my God, ang sarap. You will have newfound love for Star Margarine. I swear. Yeah. So it's being soaked, no? I'm just letting it soak a little bit. Let me just add some more Parmesan. There. Kasi nga, because of the cornstarch. Sarap nito. Tapos, kung sino yung mga nagbe-beer, masarap din to with beer. Kung hindi nagbe-beer, masarap with Coke. Oil through orange. Here you go. There. Yun lang. Kung gusto niya tray. It's oily. It's greasy. I love it. I'm just putting some chopped green onions kasi nga, very garlicky. So, I don't want to add any more garlic. So, just for that. There you go. Ready with beer. So, that is our garlic parmesan cheese chicken wings.